Okay, we have a Haas Vertical Machining Center, model VF2SS, new in 2004. It's serial number 34888. It is a super speed, so it's a 12,000 RPM spindle. Again, you have a 24 ATC side mount. It is pre-wired for fourth and fifth axis. It has the drives. It has runner short probing, and it does have a coolant system. And we're going to run it around for you. It's got an inline direct drive spindle. Right now we are running at 2,000 RPM. We're up at 4,000.
6,000.
I want to show that on the screen there.
8,000. That's 10,000.
10,000 RPM. Again, it's a 40 taper.
Alright, tool change. Another one. We'll drop your axes around.
That's your X.
Z. Y.
All right, X, Y, and Z.
Hours.
There you go. You have 22,866 servo hours, spindle hours. You have 7397, motion 7698. Again, inside you'll see the runner sharp probing. And we can walk around back to see the, get the 24 ATC. Watch your feet there. Your Haas vector drive, and again, you can see it's a 5-axis machine. Serial number on the machine. Okay, thank you for watching the video.